Alright folks, hope y'all enjoy the video and have a blessed day. Let's go. Alright folks, we are going to see if we can take a Opinel No. 8 and darken the blade and the hardware on it. Just kind of get something a little different going there. I don't know what kind of effect we're using some perma blue paste on it. I don't know what kind of effect it's gonna have, but we're gonna find out together here. See what happens. And instantly you can see that we're gonna get an effect on it. And normally I would clean these. I'd clean this blade really good with alcohol or mineral spirits or something before I done this, but I kind of want the kind of aged, rough look to the blade is the reason I did it. So leaving those oils and things like that on the blade will help in that process. And you can see, if I can get on screen here, you can see that we are definitely getting some darkened up material here. Oh yeah, that's looking nice. I'm going to try to get down inside that channel right there. See if we can darken that metal up some too. We take a little bit of alcohol. We'll wipe this down. Zoom out there a little bit and get a good look at it. As you can see, we got the dark effect we were looking for. Kind of blued that out a little bit on that. But I plan on darkening this handle up some too. That looks pretty cool right there, folks. I'm pretty proud with that. But I think we might do one more coat on it. Just to see if it will make a difference. And it probably will. It'll probably fill in some of the gaps we might have missed on that first rub down there. There's a lot of ways of achieving darkening the metal up. I mean, this paste is just an easy way to do it. But you can also use some warm vinegar, mustard. We'll put some patina on it. There's a lot of ways. Potatoes. I mean, I'm sure you've seen some videos of people using potatoes to do it with. This right here is just a little instant, and it serves the purpose greatly for what I was wanting to do. I have a couple of these Opinels, and I really like them. They're really good knives, but I wanted one a little different, and so I thought a good way to achieve that would be by darkening the blade up and the hardware up, and I think I was right in the thought that I'm going to really like it, because it does look good. I think that looks really good. We did get some uneven on there, but that's what I wanted. And if we decide later on that we don't want it with that uneven aged look, we can always sand it down a little bit with some fine grit sandpaper and correct that. So anyway, this is the first stage of modifying this Opinel. Not sure what else I'm going to do. I'm thinking about some kind of personal design on this side of the blade, and I'm thinking about either darkening the handle or customizing it a little bit with maybe some texture or something on it, just to kind of dress it up a little bit. But here is the results. Very, very pretty. I like the way that kind of just blued out there. Very nice. But stay tuned, folks. There'll be another part to this video. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.
Alright, folks, the call rings clear from a forge where blades appear, rugged cross knives, bold and bright, born of fire, shaped with might. Steel and leather side by side, crafted strong with maker's pride. Blades that whisper, edges keen, stories sharp and surfaces clean. Old knives weathered, scarred with rust, find new life in skilled hands' trust. Alright, folks, the maker grins where every blade and tail begins. So sing of steel, of edge and high, of passion, skill, and crafted pride.